everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be unboxing our November subscription box. And also I'm here to announce that we're going to have some overstock for our November subscription box on our website this Sunday at noon Central Time. So if you're wanting to receive or to buy this box, make sure to set like a timer on your phone or to write in your planner that we're gonna have some overstock available. I'm super excited to jump into this. Comment below what you think about this month's subscription box. We love to see all of your guys' thoughts and opinions. And we like to also just say hi to you all. Okay, so as you can see, the packaging that's holding the box is like a brown kind of cello sealed bag, and we matched the color to kind of like the theme of this month's box. So I'm gonna open this up, and as you can see, we have some like little deco pieces in here that you can glue in your planner if you wanted to. And it actually has kind of like a smell. It smells like eucalyptus, I believe. Kind of like a potpourri smell, which is really nice. Okay, so first we have our kind of like cardstock paper sheet that has one of these scenes that is in this sticker kit box on the paper. So it matches really well, and you could repurpose this sheet for journaling and kind of tearing it up, or you could leave it whole if you wanted to and use it kind of as like a journaling card. And then on the back we have our monthly message. So it says, November, get ready to embrace the spirit of gratitude and creativity with a collection of carefully designed stationery items that will make your heart skip a beat. Bonus item is an acrylic charm that we included. I'll show you later. We have switched out the monthly overview date covers to foiled hearts instead. It's just a little more sparkle for your pages. Your creativity and passion for stationery inspires us every day. Follow us on social media and tag us in your stationery creations. We love seeing what you all tag us in on like Instagram and YouTube. And I try to make sure on Instagram to share your videos on our story feed so everyone else can see it. I just think it's so amazing seeing you all using our products and how creative you can get with them. We love seeing how our products bring joy to your life and sparkle to your pages. Thank you for being a cherished part of our DEK Designs family. We are sending warm wishes and anticipation for a November filled with gratitude and creativity. Stay safe, sane, and well-planned. XOXO, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. Okay, so that's the message, and I'm gonna show you some of like I'm gonna show you the washi first. Let's do that. Look how gorgeous those colors are. The top one makes me think of like a carameled apple for some reason. It's like an ombre, burnish, like pink red to a green, back to like an orangish brown. And the foiled bow on it is rose gold. The next washi tape has some really cute flowers on it, and there's foiled dots in the middle of the flowers. And then the last one has like the checkered plaid background with the rose gold foiled bow. So these are the 3 washi that come with with November's box. And then we have the sticky note page. I love how vibrant the colors are on this sticky note. It's just so bright, and it makes me happy just looking at it. And in the bottom right hand corner has a pumpkin saying thankful with an adorable bow on it. I love this. It looks so good If you put in like your planner with the spreads and stuff that you use with our stickers, it'll match so well. Or just if you want to just use it for anything else, it's super nice and eye-catching, I believe. Now we're going to look at the die cuts, and it also has the bonus clip, acrylic clip inside of it. You can also reuse this bag as well. It's super pretty. It's pretty large, so we had to fold it up a bit. Okay, first let's look at the charm. I showed a sneak of it on our Instagram page a while back, but it's a charm. It has like an owl mug on it, and it has like a little loop on the end. So if you wanted to loop it into your planner, onto your bookmark or something like that, it's so cute, and it's double-sided as well. So that's the bonus item. Now let's look at the die cuts. Oh my goodness. Look how cute that is. It's like a cat mug with, it looks like maybe some chai tea in it or hot cocoa, a cinnamon stick in it. Then we have our November script in rose gold. Hello November, November. Then we have our heart, date, dots, and then our weekend script. That mug that you saw on that charm earlier, the little owl mug, it's so cute. I can't get over it. A die cut that has like a journal on the inside of it, and it has like the decorations, grateful and blessed, and has pumpkins and leaves. It's a vibe. A bowl of decorative pumpkins. It's like something you'd maybe like put on like as a centerpiece for your table or something like that, and it'll just look cute on maybe like a dashboard, monthly dashboard. This sweater weather die cut with some sweaters and then coffee and spice on top of it. I don't know if you can tell, I'm wearing my sweater for sweater weather. Oh, this is cute. This pumpkin has like patchwork of different, it's kind of like quilted with different patches of designs on it. Then we have a round die cut, and it has like all the key fall terms that are used a lot, like pumpkin spice, leggings, cider, flannel, grateful, blessed, bonfires, football, sweater weather, corn, all the fall terms all in one place. And we have another die cut with like one of those wicker baskets with pillows, and then a plant. Has that very vibrant colored leaves on it. And lastly, we have the November calendar die cut, which would also look really awesome as a November dashboard. So here are all the die cuts plus the extra goodie that is inside of that. Super cute. Now let's look at the bonus sheets, or the journal kit sheets. Our first journal kit page has those torn pages, the swatches of like watercolor swatches, and then the coffee mug rims, and it has like the grateful pillow in there, that really cute flower design with the warm flower colors, some pumpkins up here in a barn. Cute. Our Monday through Sunday with the swatches for that, and then some more different pattern boxes that can be used as decorative or also as functional. And the last page, we have our layering pieces slash swatches, and we also have the monthly fun holidays, like November 2nd is Deviled Egg Day. I love that. And what else is there? There's Thanksgiving on the 23rd. The Small Business Day is on the 25th, so that's exciting. So here's the journaling kit slash bonus sheet. Now let's look at the monthly. Okay, so first with the monthly, you get your clear overlay stickers that are foiled in the rose gold. You have November 2023, have some deco foiled pieces, and then underneath that some script like bill due, payday, auto, mortgage, rent, those important things that you want to highlight for the month. And then like what we said earlier in the letter, in the note, we included heart date dots rather than doing the date dots that we did prior, the checkered corner pieces. And then at the bottom we included some scripts for the month that you'd want to use, like Cyber Monday, Small Business Saturday, Happy Thanksgiving, some extra pieces for you. And then the first page has your Sunday through Saturday headers. And below that, we have some boxes with those patterns and some of those die cuts that you saw from earlier. I love this ombre background right here. It's so like soothing, I think, to look at for whatever reason. And then over here, some functional boxes. The next sheet, we have a longer kind of dashboard sticker box that can be used, some washi strips off to the side, and then over here some more boxes and functional strips, some flags. So yeah, we did change the design up a little bit for the monthlies. And then lastly, we have some more functional boxes at the top and bottom for the month, some cute flags. Then we have the currently watching, listening, reading this month, that's new. And laundry, we included a couple extras of the laundry strip, and some doctor, shopping, the 2 happy birthdays and appointments, and then the corner layering pieces if you wanted to use that. So this is the monthly kit that comes with the box. And lastly, we're going to look at the standard kit. All right, so for the standard kit, you will get 14 sticker sheets. The first 2 sheets have full boxes on them. So for the first sheet, we have kind of like a sitting comfort area for like outside with the pillows and the flowers over here. And we have rose gold banners going across, some pumpkins stacked up. I love fall most of all with the warm flower background. And we have like a outdoor dining area scene that looks so cozy with the string lights, that quilted pumpkin, the cup of pumpkins outside with foiled leaves falling on them, and then cozy season. And those candles look like they probably smell super delicious. Second, we have kind of like the entryway table decorated scene, and then Hello Pumpkin, some fall flowers, and the doorway that's decorated up for the season with some pumpkins and a thankful sign, a super cute kitty next to those comfy pillows. And then we have like the farm scene with the leaves, the foiled leaves falling, and then another floral scene. Then we have our 3 bow checklists and 3 heart flag lists up here. And then below we have like the 1 bow functional box that you can use. Next, we have headers and glitter headers. Then we have our Monday through Sunday boxes, and then 2 boxes that have some script in it. Harvest your blessings and gather together. And below that, we have functional boxes with those patterns in the background. This sheet has the checkered, foiled strips, and then the weekend banner strips, some foiled icons off to the side, and then some script at the bottom, appointment, shopping list canceled. Then our Monday through Sunday for 4 weeks with the different pattern backgrounds. Our flags at the top, which has those scenes that you saw from earlier, the half scallop circles and some layering pieces, and then a couple of shorter washi strips. And then the fashion girl / deco sheet. So it looks like they're wearing very much like fall outfits, like long sleeve dresses and boots. And then we have the cute fuzzy animals and some florals on this sheet. Then we have the fashion girl boxes, and they have like the scenes behind them. Our functional box sheet. And then another functional box sheet, except for at the top you have your habit trackers, and then below here we have those patterns in the background compared to it being the solid color. Our deco sheet, so a lot of those elements that you saw from earlier, maybe some that you haven't seen yet, like we have that cinnamon roll over there, a slice of pumpkin pie. So cute. And lastly, we have our sticky note page. So there's like the sticky notes at the top with lined and grid. And then below that, we have some more functional, kind of like flowery boxes that can be used. So that's the full kit that you get with the November subscription box. You also get the 3 washi tapes and the sticky note. Also the die cuts, including the extra little acrylic clip. And you get your monthly stickers as well as the journaling kit stickers. And then for this box we included some like confetti like items that are fallish that you could glue in your planner if you wanted to. So if you're as in love with this as we are, I'm going to put a link below to our website. The overstock will not be available until this Sunday at noon. So if you're wanting to snag one of our extra overstocks, make sure to stop by on Sunday when we have also our new releases. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're very much into decorative stickers, journaling, planning, all that good stuff. And we'll see you all again next time. Bye, everyone.